Christmas, the Cody Stumbo,
and the Kinny Landrum on Facebook.
all throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.
All right. Hey, look at here, Cody. All right, the Cody Stumbo.
Kenny, I can't do it. Mine
You
didn't
can't.
work. I just mine just hit yours.
All right, I can do it backwards too. On the 5th day of Christmas,
Cody and Kinny gave to the viewers of Facebook.
a partridge in a pear tree.
Guys, this is Cody and Kinny's 5th day.
I thought it was the Cody Stumbo.
The Cody Stumbo and the Kinny Landrum.
Yes!
5th day of the 12 days of Christmas.
5th day.
And today we're going to give you 5 reasons
5.
why you should buy a car from the
1,
Cody Stumbo
2, 3, 4,
and
5.
the Kinny Landrum.
At Toyota of Bowling Green.
The first one, guys, we discussed it on the 4th day, is the lifetime powertrain warranty. Any new vehicle or used vehicle 9 years or newer and less than 90,000 miles is eligible for our lifetime powertrain warranty as long as you get your oil changes and
That's
tire
right.
rotations done with us. Kenny, what's number 2?
Number 2 is every single pre-owned vehicle on this lot. If you come in and you ask, have you changed the oil? Have you changed the filter? Have you put new tires? Have you rotated the rotors? Did I already say that?
Rotate the rotors, wipe the
batteries in,
blades,
wipe the
whatever.
blades. If you ask us for a detailed list of what we've done to that car, you know what we can do?
We can provide it to you.
That's right, we can provide it to you because we're professionals.
We are.
Yes, we can tell you exactly what we've done to those cars to increase the value of those cars and help you understand why lifetime powertrain and the used cars at Toyota Bowling Green are
The best.
the best.
The best.
Yes.
Number 3, guys, Toyota Care on all new vehicles. That includes 2 years or 25,000
Did
miles.
you say
remaining.
or 25,000 miles?
2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever one of those markers comes first. You'll get that on any new vehicle you purchase here at Toyota.
Any new one. And by the way, you get a free oil change with a used one, right?
Free oil change, and either way, new or used, you get a free year's worth of car wash.
That's right, 3 years worth of car washes. And the 4th reason you should buy a vehicle from the Kenny Landrum and the Cody Stumbo at Toyota Bowling Green is we have the bomb waiting area.
Service area, man, you got free popcorn.
Free popcorn,
Free water.
coffee, cappuccino, hot chocolate.
And the customer's personal favorites, the massage chair.
The massage, wait a minute, not just one massage chair, two massage
Two
chairs.
massage chairs.
Popcorn.
And then
We have popcorn.
the 5th reason, guys.
Wait a minute, are you not listening to me? I said we have popcorn.
Popcorn is a big hit.
Yes.
I make the popcorn. It's pretty good.
Yes. No, it's really good.
Pretty good.
Really good.
And the 5th reason, guys,
The 5th reason.
me and Kenny are here.
That's right.
We're here. We're here to help you out, answer any questions you
Yes.
got,
Yes.
and help you with any potential new or used vehicle that
That's
you
right.
may purchase from
That's
us.
right. So come to Toyota Bowling Green, which only on the corner of Lovers Lane and Scottsville Road, or is it Scottsville Road and Lovers Lane?
Either way,
Either way.
we're on the corner of both.
That's right. And you can't miss this big old building. I mean,
nice Toyota symbol.
nice big. It's kind of like the back signal.
In a way,
Yes.
its own little back.
You're
symbol.
parked at that light there, right there, Scottsville Road and Lovers Lane.
You'll see us.
You can't miss it.
You'll see us.
You can't miss it. So
Guys.
this is the Cody Stumbo
And the Kenny Landrum.
signing off.
Tune in. Day 6, 12 days of Christmas. See you guys.
See ya.
Bam.
12 days of Christmas, the Cody Stumbo,
And the Kenny Landrum on Facebook.
all throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.